Credit Suisse saved by UBS. Cyber criminals attacking an Aussie finance firm right now. And surf's up, Perth gets a new surf park. Welcome to Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. I'm Sarah Hughan. This episode is brought to you by Stake, Australia's most recommended broker. Credit Suisse has been around for 167 years, and after a week of turmoil, White Knight UBS rode in on a white horse and rescued the troubled bank. The ASX still closed in the red, but investors are hoping the worst of the chaos is over. To Stake's most wanted, and in a word, gold. Northern Star, Newcrest and AngloGold were all amongst the best performers on the ASX today. So why is gold going gangbusters if the banking crisis seems to be easing off? Well, economists now think the US Federal Reserve might not go as hard and fast on raising interest rates. And with inflation still running rampant, that's the perfect environment for gold. There were even a few gold rocket ships. Shares of Breaker Resources have gone to the moon today after a takeover bid from top 10 gold producer Ramelius Resources. It's an all-scrip deal, which means shareholders of Breaker get to swap their shares for the much bigger Ramelius. Shares of gold producer Evolution Mining are also taking off today after the company announced it's beginning production at its Cowal gold mine 3 months ahead of schedule and on budget. And shares of consumer finance provider Latitude Financial have been suspended after the company flagged it's undergoing a cyber attack right now. The Australian Federal Police are now involved, and Latitude says the hackers have stolen personal details of at least 330,000 customers. Latitude Financial offers interest-free instalment plans and personal loans for shoppers at firms such as Harvey Norman, JB Hi-Fi, The Good Guys and David Jones. Our Dark Horse segment is for companies that have been sneaking higher over the last 30 days. Shares of Eagers Automotive have been galloping along like a dark horse for the last month. Investors must have liked what they saw in the company's full-year results released about a month ago. And Perth's $100 million surf park has been approved for the city of Coburn. Construction will begin on the attraction later this year, and it'll become the biggest surf park in the Southern Hemisphere. It's expected to attract more than 1 million visitors a year.
Ready, let's surf! Come on!
You don't play with me, see? We're surfing!
Yes! Yes!
And even though it's free to go to WA beaches, how much will people pay for a surf without the threat of a white pointer? I don't know. That's an actual question. Leave your comments below. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au. Or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.